In this video we're checking out Rick and Morty's VR Rick-Ality game.
Hey y'all, this is Fast Food Fred, and I'm talking today about VR, pressing the menu button. You know, every controller has... Fast Food Fred! Hey y'all, Fast Food Fred again with a tasty chunk. Thank you for pushing that menu button right there. Have fun out on your adventures, and don't forget, we'll always be here with a tasty chunk when you need it. I'm Fast Food Fred.
So I've just finished playing Rick and Morty's Virtual-Rickality. Only spent about 40 minutes in there. And the reason I picked up this game was two reasons. One, it was in the Steam sale. And also I quite enjoy the Rick and Morty cartoon series. I initially found out about it due to the kind of tennis link, I guess. Or tedious link. Tedious link. To Back to the Future. So I thought I would try this game out and let you guys know what I thought. So, I don't know. I mean, it's not brilliant, but it doesn't suck either. It's really just kind of I say, stupid fun game. It gives you the opportunity to kind of experience what it might be like to be a character in the cartoon. So it takes place in his garage, or garage if you're American, and obviously you can move around the garage a little bit. You have to do a few errands in a way, and I can't remember if it's done by the same people. It feels a bit like Job Simulator. Now lots of people like that game. Me personally, I don't think it's a fantastic VR experience. I mean, it's just, I guess, stupid good fun. It's kind of mindless enjoyment. So if that's the kind of thing you're after, then fantastic. I'm more interested in I guess the storytelling, puzzle, immersive type of games. But there are some good puzzles in this game, which is really the main thing that I enjoyed about it. But it didn't feel me wanted to come back for more. So like I said, I spent about 35-40 minutes in there. And it was enjoyable, and obviously I'm showing some overlays of the game as we talk through it. So graphically it looks really good. It's true to the cartoon in terms of how it looks and the gameplay, so it does feel good. But there's something about it for me that doesn't make me feel like you want to just come back and do more. I think if you're someone that's into game streaming and stuff like that, it may be actually something that's quite enjoyable to watch someone prattling around in there and doing stupid stuff. But for me, it doesn't have that gameplay where I just want to kind of keep on coming back to it. So I think if you're a Rick and Morty fan, I would check it out next time it's in the Steam sale. And obviously with Steam you obviously have the ability to be able to return the game if you don't like it anyway. But for me, it was a good bit of fun, but not something that I want to be playing over and over again. So I hope this helps. If you're a Rick and Morty fan and you've played the game, leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought. I have no doubt in my mind I'm going to get flamed by the die-hard Rick and Morty fans. I don't even know what they could have done better with this game. I think it's just, this game is just how it is. And you'll either like that type of gameplay or you don't. And for me, it's not that I don't like it, it's just not something that I want to do repetitively. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.